Hey, I just started to do a video, quick video for calzones. This is what I'm making for tonight's dinner. Um, so I'm just doing the dough right now. What it is, it constitutes like either one package of dry yeast. You can active dry yeast, you can do quick rise, whatever, but I'm just keeping an eye on it. But you could put one of those in there. If you don't, you can do like the bottle ones. And it'll say on the instructions how much, on the back label of how much yeast to equal an envelope, which is like, was it 2 teaspoons, 2 and 1/4 teaspoons, and put it in there, and then 1/3 cup of warm water, and then let it dissolve and let it stand for like 5 minutes. And then you can start adding your flour, which is I already added 2 cups in here. It's between 2 and 4 cups of flour, and then you do like 2 tablespoons of oil that you're going to add to it. And there's 1, and 2. Okay. And sure, I think it's a teaspoon of salt. 2 teaspoons of salt. Yeah, 2 teaspoons of salt. Let me get my teaspoon. And I'm going to get my salt real quick. Sorry about that. Forgot the salt. 2 teaspoons of salt. Add that in here. Okay, and then I usually use this mixer. If you don't have one, then you can knead it out. Put that in there, let it stir up pretty good. For a while. You could add, you have to add more flour as you go along. I'm sorry, 1 cup of warm water. I almost forgot my water. That's why I already got my water. Didn't I get my water? You don't have to put that in. Here it is. 1 cup of warm water in there. There you go. And the rest of your cups. Flour. I usually try to even it out. This will be the 3rd cup. Spatula so I can put in the sides. Yeah, it'll start getting thicker, and in the machine, as it gets thicker, you're gonna hear the machine where like it's gonna need some help kneading the dough, because when it starts bouncing and getting thicker, you can take it out and start kneading it yourself. And everything, so here it goes. It's getting thicker. And this will be the 4th cup of flour here. Stuff this in there. And kind of knead it for a little bit. For its consistency. And then you could probably edit some of this for the little time. then, let's see here. Take it out. Alright. See how it is here? Make sure you want to get all the stuff, the dough. Let me go ahead and take this off. Let me see a little better. You can knead it. I know I should have taken off my wing. To consistently get all the flour mixed in there until you can feel it doughy. It's not too sticky, but like elastic and really good. So what I'm gonna do here is leave that there, and I'm gonna get my glass bowl. It's a bigger glass bowl, or you can use any big bowl. And what I do is you could spray if you want, but I'll add a little bit of olive oil in here. A little bit of oil. Excuse my mess on the counters. I have everything everywhere. I'm zooming around with me everywhere. And I just put oil all over the bowl. And then I stick this in here. Like that. Oops. And then I'm going to wrap it up with plastic wrap. So plastic wrap. And then you let it sit. This is going to be for dinner. And then you let it sit till it doubles in size. You know, and this makes either 3 large pizzas, this dough, or for us, it's 6 calzones. So I usually do 3 tonight, and then I do 3 for the next day. I just do them all tonight, so we have 1 tonight, and then microwave the rest tomorrow, or I can make fresh ones the next day. So let this sit here. It'll be ready maybe about, depending on your dough, if you have quick rise or whatever, then it'll take lesser time. So it should be ready about maybe 5, 6 o'clock maybe. So we'll see. So I'll see you then.
3 hours from now?
Yes. All right. Thanks, Brie. Okay, hi everybody, I'm back. Doing the calzones. I showed you how to start it up, get the dough done, and so I'm gonna show you how I do this. Other people are like pizza professionals or whatever. I'm sure they could do it better, but I just flatten this up. I divided the dough in half, and then I divided it in 3 parts. Just 1/2 of the dough, it's just enough so I can make the calzone per person. So there's only 3 of us here at home, so it fits out perfectly. So I save the rest of the dough for the next day to have it for lunch, or you know, you could put it in the refrigerator and save it for another day, and then take it out and let it rise or thaw out just a little bit, and then you can make them yourselves. So just enough to where you want it just a little thick, not too thin, because it'll tear. I think I made this part just a little bit thin, but this is how I do it. Just enough, a circle, and you could put it. Some people just put it on one side of the for the spaghetti sauce, and whatever brand you like is fine. And how much you want, how tomatoey you like it. And you could also do this with, I mean, any kind of pizza that you like, or calzone that you like. So, and then I put some cheese on here. I spread it around, put more on one side, a little bit, sprinkle some here when I fold it up. This will be really good. And depending on how cheesy you like. I did get, this is actually dried oregano from our garden that I like to put on. I put a little, this one's gonna be mine. It's the last one. I've already made 2, and I'll show you. The second one's in the oven, getting ready to come out, and I'll show you what I do, finish it up. So I usually like olives, but last time we made calzones, I used them up, so I forgot to get some more. So, and I just put as much pepperoni or toppings that you like on the side. Oop, that's getting ready to come out. So I need to hurry. And put a little more of these on here. There we go. Rest of the cheese. Pour it on top. And then, you know, you could have whatever side you want on the side. Maybe add a little more cheese to it here, because I like mine cheesy. And then I like to do it individually cooked on the bottom rack of my oven, because I do have a double oven, but when I put, you have to set the pre-oven to 500. I didn't mention that to you. For like, I set it for like 8 minutes. Okay. Then you need to let these touch the sides here. I'm gonna need to take that out of the oven. Hold on. And then my husband's taking the other one out of the oven. You can put it on top of the other pan. And then I curl the sides here to make sure they're sealed. I don't know if you could tell or see them here. For now, I seal them up like this. For now, I just curl it up, and then I'll show you. You're gonna end up pinching them down. Okay, and then I start from this side. I go ahead and pinch them down with the 2 fingers, flat, or you can make like it's like a little indent for the crust, like that. Use this. You seal it up really good. See how nice and pretty it looks? And then I'm going to stick it in the oven at 500 for 8 minutes. And then this is how it comes out. I'll show you. I don't have a light on there. But, I'll bring it over here. I'll put it. Sorry, Brie, I have you all over the place. I'll go ahead and put it in a plate. It's really hot, so be careful. It's very hot. And then I get either olive oil. I have the, and I go ahead and put it on here. This one's like extra virgin olive oil. Put it all over. And then I get Parmesan cheese. Oops. Sprinkle it on there. It's really good. Really good and bad for you at the same time, but just do a really good treat. And then this is gonna be my husband's. Yeah, actually that's Bree's over there, but this is yours. I also made a salad. This is a salad.
It mostly came from my garden. I don't have tomatoes yet, but other than that, everything in here is from my garden. It goes great with pizzas. It goes great with any kind of meal. But that's why you grow
spinach, kale, and radish.
Yep, and that's why we grow the garden.
But if you want, you can have your sides or whatever, but you can open it up. This is his, and he'll show you what it looks inside. Now, if you want the crust more crispier, you can put it for a longer period of time, like 9 minutes or so. But there it is. You could add more stuff to it.
Yeah, you can put all kind of different ingredients in, right? I mean, you can even do pineapple if you want that. That's weird. Oh, there you go.
There you go. That's the calzone. There you go.
I love it.
Yeah, so enjoy whenever you make it. So I'm going to get ready to enjoy mine really soon. So I hope you liked it. You know, if you got, when you do it, show yours. So we're getting ready to eat.
All right.
Thanks. Bye.
Thanks now.
Yeah, bye.